Hey guys, so today we have another unboxing video. This box just arrived here from Everglades Farm. So we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so I'm gonna cut from the bottom as always. All right, there we go. So just gonna pull this out. Hey, just by the leaves, you guys should know what this is already. And voila, isn't that pretty? All right, pretty. All right, so let's see what it is. This is a cantaloupe jackfruit. Now, I would like to give a big shout out to Backyard Farmer Pat. That's her YouTube channel. She made a video about her garden and what she had planted in the front yard and the backyard, and she had one of these in her front yard. And I was curious to know why until she said that it only grows to 8 feet. So I went online and tried to find it and found it on Everglades Farm website. And I messaged her and asked her where she got hers from, because on Everglades website it's like $100. So she got hers from a nursery. I called a nursery and they were sold out. So I ended up getting it from Everglades Farm website. So what I know about this in particular jackfruit is that it gets 8 to 10 feet. The fruit has low latex, and the fruit weight range from 10 to 12 pounds, which is good. You know, I'm looking for a smaller variety. I'm sure a lot of people is too. So this is a good addition to our yard and garden, and I'm happy with my purchase. And once again, thank you to Backyard Farmer Pat for putting her video out there and spreading the word, girl. So as far as the fruit taste, I just read that it's sweet. As far as texture, I don't know if it's the soft type or the hard crunchy type. So I guess eventually someone will make a video, or I'll just have to find out. And their 7-gallon is sold out. So again, this is the 3-gallon. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing video, and have a good one.